Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The National Commercial Bank Group Jamaica currently holds 32% of deposits on the island and has been recognized by American credit rating agency Fitch Ratings. The rating agency has upgraded the National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited long-term foreign and local currency issuer default ratings to BB- from B+, and the viability rating to BB- from B+. This rating upgrade from Fitch and the earlier recognition from S&P attest to our relentless pursuit of excellence and our commitment to financial stability, prudent risk management, and strategic growth, said Bruce Bowen, CEO of National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited. Fitch Ratings is a leading global rating agency that provides credit ratings, commentary, and research for global capital markets. Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited for the first quarter ended January 31, 2024, reported a 5% increase in revenue totaling 269.38 million Jamaican dollars compared to 255.64 million in the corresponding 3 periods last year. Net profit for the 3 periods amounted to $62.49 million, a 6% increase from the 59.03 million reported in 2023. Investors can be on the lookout for dividends in the next few weeks. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has advised that a board of directors meeting to be held on March 27, 2024, a dividend payment will be considered. Tropical Battery Company Limited has advised that a meeting of its board of directors is scheduled to be held on April 2, 2024. The primary agenda for this meeting will be to consider the payment of dividends to the shareholders of the company. Separate Limited has advised that its board of directors is meeting on March 25, 2024 and will consider a dividend payment. Trading on March 15, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the real estate and finance sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited US dollar shares advanced 33.85% for a 3-cent price upward movement to close at 10 cents with 1,191 shares traded. QWI Investments Limited shares advanced 18.18% for a 12-cent price movement to close at 78 cents with 652,623 shares traded. Epley Limited shares advanced 16.65% for a $5.78 price jump to close at $40.50 with 20 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 15, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the entertainment, real estate, and finance sectors. Margaritaville Turks Limited declined by 16.67% to close at 10 cents with 14,391 shares traded. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited declined by 14.98% for a $1.94 price drop to close at $11.01 with 2,001 shares traded. Mayberry Group Limited declined by 10.14% for an 81 cents price decline to close at $7.18 with 3,612 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on March 15, 2024, registered a volume of 430,314 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at TT $4,019,448.91. Massey Holdings was the volume leader with 123,398 shares, changing hands for a value of TT $542,314.21, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 121,461 shares, being traded for TT $479,000 $819.95. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 15, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $15.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $10.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.19 and bought the US dollar for $153.27. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.92, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $11.37 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $118.71 and bought for $107.34. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $10.07, selling it for $201.73 and buying it for $191.66. For our credit report tip of the day, the first step towards improving your credit is knowing the current state of affairs. Take a deep breath, gather your financial statements, and confront your credit report head on. Identify any outstanding debts, late payments, or errors that may be pulling your score down. Facing the reality might be daunting, but it's the critical first stride towards progress. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.